Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Hope in this corona situation you all are healthy with your family. Please use your mask when you go outside and maintain safe physical distance with each other. Today we are going to learn about how acid form and secret in the stomach. A J-shaped bag stays between esophagus and intestine. The four-part cardia, fundus, body and pylorus. The stomach has five layers: serosa, subserosa, colaris, submucosa, mucosa. Padal cells where the acid form stay at the lining epithelial of the stomach. What padal cell secret? It secret acid. What acid? HCl acid. Let's see how it works. You know very well that glucose and oxygen, water equal to water and carbon dioxide and energy release. You read it in your very beginning at your lesson. In a cell contains water, H2O, and carbon dioxide. Both these water and carbon dioxide combine and create carbonic acid, which is an unstable form and breaks into hydrogen ion and bicarbonate ion. H2O, water plus carbon dioxide, carbonic acid, unstable form and hydrogen ion and bicarbonate ion secret হচ্ছে দেখানো here see. This reaction continues and every time release proton, what is hydrogen ion. It is called protonation. The level of proton increased time to time. On the other hand, especially calcium ion, potassium ion, sodium ion, chloride ion, they have their own entry and exit channel. Sodium has sodium ion channel, potassium ion channel, potassium has chloride ion channel, and calcium has calcium ion channel. They all enter into cell by their own channel. Here, adenosine triphosphate, that is ATPA, which is remain at the cell. ATP breaks to ADP, adenosine diphosphate, then breaks into adenosine monophosphate, and every time phosphate release energy. Now, we have proton and energy in the cell. Here is a picture of parietal cell where has three receptors: a muscarinic receptor or acetylcholine, H2 receptor, histamine receptor, and gastrin receptor. And this parietal cell contains proton pump, which is hydrogen potassium ATPase enzyme. Here the chloride ion channel and potassium ion channel. Every ion has its own channel. Informing you that when histamine or gastrin or acetylcholine binds with their respective receptor, proton pump activated and start working. Energy gets from ATP breakdown, you know earlier. and when proton it works potassium ion and hydrogen ion interchange by proton pump from cell to canaliculi, and potassium ion exit from cell to space by its channel to fill up its concentration. Other hand, bicarbonate transported out from cell to blood by active transport protein called amino exchanger, and chloride ion at first enter into the cell in its transporter and go to the canaliculi by its own channel. In the canaliculi, hydrogen ion reaches by interchange of potassium ion, and in the canaliculi, chloride ions enter by its own channel, and hydrogen ion and chloride ion react with each other and form hydrochloric acid, that is HCl, and secrete to the stomach. We got HCl now. What HCl works for us? It kills bacteria, helps to digest, protect body from infection, converts pepsinogen into pepsin, and breaks collagen sheath. And the bicarbonate acts in our body. It protects stomach from acid. It gives protection from the environment. It helps in digest. The work of bicarbonate: protect stomach from acid, maintain pH of stomach, acts as acid neutralizer, maintain protective inner layer of stomach. That's all, dear viewers. Thanks for patience watching. If this video helps you, then please give like, share and comments, and for new viewers please click subscribe button. Thanks to them all who already subscribed this channel. Be safe, take care. Allah Hafiz.